gonna win this one, y'all? Well, the odds is against left lane, but that's my boy. I gotta get some more cards in my pocket. Another charger in my backpack anyway. I would almost. I got a couple more cars with me. People that's watching on TikTok, y'all check out my YouTube channel, Look Out Racing. I'm live right now in HD. Yeah, I'm live right now in HD. Y'all come check it out. Widescreen, put it on your TV or something. Yeah, everybody always say, freaking YouTube show's way better. So come over here and come look at it. Is this that dude that wrecked a long time ago? Oh no. Hey. For all of and when you get over here, let me know so I can give you a shout out. Hey, we here though. Smoking Tune 64. Money Man. Little Fetty. Okay, they got Limpy say he got it playing on his 75 inch. Okay. Let it eat!
Hey, look. He's got too much air in the back tire.
Oh, yeah?
Look at him.
You want me to go look?
Yeah, go tell him.
Okay, which one?
That one right there behind you.
The black one?
Yeah, it's not gonna grab, not gonna crimple, not gonna do anything.
Yeah. Because it got too much air.
Go look at it.
Okay, I'm gonna go look at it. You
can
alright?
stand right here and zoom in.
Okay.
Hey!
Wait a minute. Left lane for the win. Left lane for the win.
Hey, I'm gonna be out here Sunday, and Blackjack gonna give me the back tire to hit.
Yeah.
He gonna get a little miracle.
Okay.
Well, hey, look, you can see it from here.
I just looked at it right now. I did see it all in there. What about him? What about his tire pressure right here?
No, he good.
He good? Let me look. Gerald, look out.
Say Broadway. Now say it loud.
Yeah, we trying to hear you now.
Say Broadway.
I need graduate.
Oh, he's shining nice.
He got scared. He got scared, y'all. see, Papa. Okay. Hey, look out, look out.
What's up, Bubba? How are you?
Nothing much. Chilling on. What's up with it, man? What's up with it? You ready? You about to go do something? Yeah. Okay. What's up with it?
What's up, you good, man?
See? Let me see what they waiting to see now. Okay.
Gotta piss me off.
Better pissed off than pissed on. Nah, I can't beat none of these motherfuckers yet. I'm still testing and showing. Yeah, dude, this is family. We got one of them turbo Hondas that spit fire in the left lane. Four bangers. My people watching on TikTok, y'all check out my YouTube channel. We live right now in HD. It's going down. Got a whole bunch of people in the chat.